Hi, I'm Isaac with Robovision, and today I want to talk about the MC20 Master Controller and the Minisport robotic head. And there's a few reasons we're really excited about these. Most importantly, they're all IP-based. By having IP-based systems, what that means is you can use multiple controllers or multiple systems off of less fiber or fewer connections, something as simple as a basic network switch. So let's jump right in and talk about them. So the Minisport head can handle P1, P50 box cameras with E and G style lenses, has a payload of about 8 to 10 pounds. It could also handle DSLR style lenses or cameras and different combinations like that. It could not handle a full-size truck camera, 2500, 4300, etc. But even though it has that payload, and that is a small limitation, it also has a small footprint, as you see, and it can be mounted in a variety of different locations with a great variety of different mounting situations. This here is set up for speed rail. They can be inverted and put in a lot of different places wherever it seems to fit your needs. In addition to that, paired with the MC20 controller, it makes it really, really powerful because this controller can control up to 8 Minisport controlled heads. So that means that one person could theoretically operate a whole bunch of hallway cameras or stage cameras or anything like that, any different kind of applications. Another benefit of the IP-based data is the future proof. So as everybody knows, broadcast changed in 2020, and soon people are going to be moving more to operating these off-site and on-site. With the MC20 controller, you can do both. You could have 2 MC20 controllers and share the same cameras. So for example, we could have these 2 cameras on this controller. I could have this locally. In addition to that, we could have somebody off-site that had the same IPs in their controller, and they could also take over them. One thing to be noted is that if you are going to operate them off-site at a different location, latency management will be required. Let's talk about some of the other really neat features that this has. I mentioned some of the fact that the IP-based system will allow you to use fewer connections. You could run this whole system off just Cat5 in your system. Again, you want to be careful and make sure that you manage your latency, but that's really, really exciting. In addition, at the college basketball Division I men's tournament, we were able to run P50s, our robotic data, and our cameras in master control mode. So we sent all of that data down one strand of fiber, multiplexing it and pulling it out. We also were then able to set up all 4 of our controllers for our different systems at basketball and use a network switch and 1 piece of fiber to send all of that back to the receiving box. That's why we're really excited about this, and we hope that you are too. I'm just going to show you guys really quickly, punch through here and show you guys that each one of these cameras can be controlled independently. Another really great feature about the MC20 control is you could operate one of these upside down inverted and one of them not. It has memory for each system. So whatever settings I dial in, the smoothing, the speed, the inversion, anything like that will be saved only to the camera that's selected. Now that's something that we think was really, really cool because in many past robotics, you had to take and flip and have all of them oriented the same way or turn a camera around or something of that nature. So if you'd like more information about the MC20 Master Controller or the Minisport robotic heads, please check us out at robovision.com.